Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about advanced join. Okay, I already discussed about joining in Laravel. So we discussed about inner join, left join, right join, and cross join. In this video, we are going to discuss about advanced join. Actually, advanced join is not is new things. Actually, these are the joining which combined with these type of things, or which actually using the concept of this type of join. So I already discussed about these things, and the playlist link are provided in the below comment section. So now, what is advanced join? Okay, and what are the purpose of that things actually? Basically, advanced joins is a thing where we can set a closure functions. Means if you check my previous things, let's suppose left join. So we are simply just using that things, and we created a left join. But if we want to create a closure function, so that we can include the other functionality with the joining statement, that time we need actually the advanced joining concept. Okay, so you will understand if you're going to create a advanced join things and with the Laravel. Okay, so if you check in my database section, we have a students table, we have a subjects table, and for any joining we need some relations. So for here, that is the students ID, this is the primary key, and if you check the subjects ID, these are the primary key of this subject table. Here subjects table, we have a student ID. The student ID is the foreign key. Actually, this student ID referring the ID from the student table. Okay, so the relation is students ID is referring subjects student ID. So based on that relation, actually we'll create the joining. Okay, now simply I just going to create a functions, and let's try to implement the advanced join concept so that we will understand. Okay, so simply let's create a function, public function, and let's create an advanced join, advanced join. Okay, now I just going to create a functions, or here just simply declare a variable. Okay, so we'll store all the things into the result, and finally we will return the result. Okay, now here I just going to use the db table, and the first thing is I want to join with the students table, so I will use the students as a table 1. So simply write here students, and I need to join with the subject table. So simply write join, and here write subjects. Right now, here the thing is, here I will add some closure function with that thing. So simply just write in this way. So here just create a closure functions, and inside the function we'll pass some things by that we can get. So simply write j. Okay, and here just simply write j, and then define the relations between the students table and subject table. So relations is students table id, so you can see students table id is related to subjects table student id. Okay, so this is the relation. So students id is equal subjects dot student id. Great. Now here if you just select something, we can get the things. Okay, so here just I want to fetch the name from the students and from the subject. But the thing is, if you are going to fetch the name, that time it will get a problem, because in the students table we have a name, in the subjects table we have a name. So simply here write students dot name as student name, and here write subjects dot name as subject name. Okay, now let's go. So here simply write semicolon. Okay, now let's create a route for this advanced join. So simply write route, and we'll use the get method. We'll use we'll access from the URL, okay, advanced join, and simply use the joining controller, then class. Hope you know that things, how to do all the things. Okay, so I just calling the advanced join function. Okay, now let's go to this link. You can understand how the output is coming. Okay, so simply write advanced join, so you will get data from the both table. Oops, there is error. Symfony component history functions the response set content. The error is the set content. Sorry, actually, I don't return. Don't using the get method. Actually, it will fetch all the records. Right? No problem on that. So simply just refresh this. So you are getting unknown column subject students ID. Sorry, another mistake, student ID, not students ID. Okay, great. So this is a typo. No problem. So now just refresh this. We are getting all the things. Okay, so here we can see the David, English, John, math, rock, computer. So if you check, the David is using English, and John is using what's the ID 3. Okay, so John is using the math, and computer is using the rock. Okay, so these are the basic concept of advanced join. But the thing is, we can do all the things with simple inner join method also. Okay, so we are using the join, that the reason it's using the inner join, and if you write a left join, then it will treat as a left join. Okay, no problem on that. So these are the concept. So simply write a join for now, and here we can do all the things with these above the things, means inner join, left join, right join. But why we use that things? Because the purpose is, if you want to add some closure functions, or if you want to add some more functionality with the statement, we can do. Means how we can do this? Simply I just going to get the record for student 2. Okay, so we can add the conditions. So how we can add? Now just add the things, that is where students dot id is 2. Okay, now if you just go here and refresh this, so we'll get only the data for student 82. Okay, so these are the features we'll get when we use the closure functions. So hope you can understand the advanced join concept, and when we need, we can use that things. This is not the main join. The main concept is behind the inner join, left join, and right join. Using that concept, whenever we'll get some complex structure, or when we need for our requirement, we can use that things. Okay, so still, if you have any queries about this video, please comment in the below comment section, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. And next we are going to discuss about another things with subquery joining. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.